Hello बच्चे, what's your name?
My name is Shranya, sir.
Shranya. So you attend the class with your father regularly.
No, sir.
So you are supposed to attend regularly with your father, don't you think? Then you will be
Yes, sir.
confident English speaker. Let me know in which class do you study?
In 4th.
You are in 4th standard. Wow, that's great. And let me know something about your school. What's the name of your school?
The name of my school is St. Luke's.
Oh, quite a strange name it is. And do you go to school regularly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, that's great. And now let's have a competition between a father and a daughter. Can we have? You think you can speak
Yes,
better
sir.
than your father?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, let's have a competition between a daughter and a father. Let's see who is going to win. So, Varmaji, you think you can defeat your daughter in translation?
I will try, sir.
Oh, that's great. So everyone, let's see who is the best translator. And here's a competition. Mr. Ajay Verma from Shimla is joining us and with her daughter. And your name is?
Shranya.
Shranya. Okay, with his daughter Shranya. And let's see who is going to win. So let's get started. मुझे नहीं पता आप क्या जानते हो?
Tell me what you know.
Wrong. Tell me what you know का मतलब होता है मुझे बताओ जो आप जानते हो. और मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं पता वो क्या जानता है. अजय जी आप भी बनाइए वर्मा जी.
I don't know what he knows.
Yeah, I don't know what he knows. मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
I'm trying to speak.
I'm trying to speak.
Wow, that's great. I'm trying to speak. मुझे बोलते आता है लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं सकता.
I know how to speak, but I don't speak
क्योंकि मुझे मेरी डॉटर को जिताना है.
because I want to.
Okay, because I
Win my
want
daughter.
to make my daughter win.
I want to make my daughter win.
Okay, because I want to make my daughter win, or you can say because I have to make my daughter win. Now, मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था.
I was trying.
I was studying.
I was studying.
I was studying. Okay, मैं sentences बनाने के लिए तैयार हूँ.
I'm ready to make sentences.
I'm
Wow,
ready to make sentence.
मैं सुनने के लिए तैयार हूँ.
I'm ready to listen.
क्या
I'm ready
सुनते
to
हो?
listen. क्या आप सुनते हो?
Do you listen?
क्या बोलते हो?
Do you speak?
क्या बोलोगी?
Will you speak?
क्या बोलने के लिए तैयार थे?
You were
Were
ready to
you
speak.
ready to speak? Wow.
Were you ready to speak?
Samiksha, sorry,
Shranya.
Shranya.
Shranya, you are truly very extremely brilliant. I appreciate your efforts. That being you are in 4th standard, and still you are translating very well. I appreciate your efforts. And Verma ji, I insist you at your home just try to talk with her in English so that you can have the English environment at the home and she can learn very well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Miss
How are
Sangeeta,
you, sir?
Mrs. Sangeeta. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
great.
Mrs. Sangeeta. Mrs. Sangeeta.
Okay, ma'am. Where are you from?
Actually, I am from UP, Moradabad.
Okay, fine. And are you attending the class regularly?
Yes, sir. I am attending the class regularly, but sometimes I couldn't pay attention because of my baby.
Okay. Are you improving yourself or not?
Yeah, I am improving myself a lot.
चलिए आइए हम आपसे सेंटेंस पूछेंगे मैम और आपको कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलना है एंड विल सी हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू स्पीक.
Yes, I will try to my level best.
ओके डेफिनेटली. मैंने कहा इंग्लिश सीखना शुरू करो.
Start learning English.
स्टार्ट लर्निंग इंग्लिश. वहां जाना शुरू करो.
Start going there.
मैंने उससे इंग्लिश बोलते हुए देखा.
I saw him speaking English.
I saw him speaking English. वो एक अच्छा इंग्लिश स्पीकर है. मैंने उसे कई बार इंग्लिश बोलते हुए देखा है.
He is a good English speaker. I saw him many times to speak English.
He's a good English speaker. I saw him many times. I saw him speak English many times. आपने last time उसे कब देखा था English बोलते हुए?
When did you see him last time to speak English?
When did you see him last time speak English? Last time मैंने उसे ना कॉलेज में देखा था. एनुअल डे पर उसने एक बहुत अच्छी स्पीच दी थी इंग्लिश में.
Last time I saw him in annual days. Actually, he spoke very good speak
He
English
delivered a very good speech on annual day celebration.
on annual day.
क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं टॉपिक क्या था स्पीच का उसकी?
Can you tell me what was the topic of that speech?
What was the topic of his speech? मुझे उसकी स्पीच का टॉपिक याद नहीं, लेकिन जो कुछ भी उसने बोला बहुत शानदार बोला था.
Actually, I don't have remembered the
I don't
topic
remember
of
the
his
topic of his
speech, but
speech, but
whatever he spoke, he speak very good.
Yes, whatever he spoke, it was great. It was splendid. वो शानदार था. Okay, मैं वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहता जहाँ आप जा रहे हो.
I don't want to go there where you are going.
आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
आपने अपनी इंग्लिश को कैसे इम्प्रूव किया?
How did you improve your English?
आप अपनी इंग्लिश को कैसे इम्प्रूव करोगे?
How will you improve your English?
आप क्या चाहते हो कि मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँ?
What do you want me to not to go there?
What do you want
What do
me
you want me
not to go there?
Not to go there?
मुझे लगता है आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए एक बार.
I think you should go there once.
मैं वहाँ कभी नहीं जाऊँगा ऐसी स्थिति में.
I will never go there in that situation.
In this situation. Okay. क्या आपको लगता है ऐसी स्थिति में मुझे वहाँ जाना चाहिए?
Do you think I should go there in this situation?
मुझे नहीं लगता आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए. आपको घर पर ही रहना चाहिए.
I don't think you should go there. You should live at home. You should stay at home.
Yes, ma'am. आप पास हो गए.
Okay, thanks, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, Sangeeta ma'am, no doubt you have translated very well. And you said your husband, he is living in foreign. So, where is he living?
Actually, he is a merchant navy chief officer. That's why he is not particular place.
Oh, fine.
Whenever his ship go, he always go there.
Oh, fine. Shally, that's great, ma'am. And do you talk with your husband in English now?
No, sir. I never talk to him in
No,
English
just
with
give him a
him.
surprise. Does he know that you are learning English?
Yeah, he doesn't know. Actually, he doesn't know I am learning English. But when he will come, actually he will come after 5-3 days.
Okay.
So when he will come, I will try to speak in English with him.
Yes, you have to talk to him in English and just give him a big surprise that in his absence you just improved your spoken English and you
Yes,
improved
sir.
and you just work on your skills. It would be a big surprise
Yes.
for him.
Yes, sir. I will try
Definitely.
to speak.
Mr. Anil Kumar Pradhan, you got the chance to speak.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, Mr. Anil. Good evening. Where are you
Good
from?
I am from Jharkhand, sir.
Okay. And what do you do? I mean, you are a job holder, student.
I am a job holder, sir.
Okay, fine. चलिए तो अनिल जी हमें बताया. First, let me know what kind of job you are doing.
Hello, sir. I am a primary teacher.
Okay, that's
Okay.
great. And sir, let me know, what do you teach? I mean, you are a primary teacher, so is there any? I think you teach all the subjects because a primary teacher has to teach everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my school is upgraded plus 2 high school.
Okay.
I teach 6 to 10 in mathematics.
Oh, that's great. And have you ever tried to teach English, sir?
Little bit, sir.
Because in government school, especially, we have seen that.
Government
there is a
school,
lack
sir.
of English teacher in the schools. So a mathematics teacher has to teach sometimes English. So, is there any situation when you had to teach English due to not having proper teachers of English? So, is there any situation that you have faced?
Sir, I am posted in Naxal area, sir.
Okay.
So they are regional language speak.
Oh God. Can you speak the name of any regional language that you have to speak there? In the area where you have been posted?
Yes. Yeah, 3-4 language, sir.
Okay. Speak the name of few languages that you have to speak there with the people, those who are living over there.
ओडिया
Okay.
हो, ये ट्रिपल लैंग्वेज.
Okay. Can you a triple language क्या होता है? What is this triple language?
ट्रिपल लैंग्वेज मीन्स मिक्स लैंग्वेज, जैसे उड़िया का ही मिक्स लैंग्वेज है सर.
अच्छा. It's called the triple language. And one more you have
प्योर
spoke,
उड़िया,
Kho.
दिस इज नॉट प्योर उड़िया सर.
Okay. And one more you spoke about Kho. Kho is also a regional language.
खो नॉट सर, खो नॉट हियर. ये हो लैंग्वेज.
Ho.
हो मीन्स ऐसे वेयर आर यू गोइंग, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, तो इसको बोलेंगे कि ओकन पसेनवा,
Hotan Pasanava.
ओकन पसेनवा.
Okay, okay. It's very difficult. It's quite difficult to speak. Okay, sir. That's great. That.
Properly I don't know sir, I also don't know that language.
Okay. Wow, that's great. So the students actually they come to school regularly over there.
Yes sir, no sir, regularly all students don't come regularly.
Okay, okay. And you are upgrading yourself. That is really appreciating. I insist that now you are learning English, you are improving yourself, and the knowledge that you are having from here, you will surely solve these things with your students. So this would be very beneficial for the students who will be taught by you.
Yes sir, yes sir.